I'm so cozy. Hey neighbors, welcome back to my channel. If y'all new, welcome to the neighborhood. Alright y'all, so today I'm just gonna be showing y'all how to crimp. Okay, y'all see that I already have two right here, but I haven't did the rest of my hair. Let's get back, because I just thought about this, so yeah. But I got my crimps. This is what you're gonna need, and you're gonna need this, and you're gonna need this, just a brush or a comb, don't matter. So as y'all can see, my little thing right here is broke, so it'll be hot. So I had to use something on it so I won't burn myself. But yeah, so I'm just gonna take a piece of hair and gonna comb it. And then, oops, I really should section my hair out, but whatever. So I'm gonna leave it like this, and then I'm gonna take the crimpers. Oop, this thing hot, y'all. And then I'm gonna open it up. You just open it with this little thing, and you put your hair inside, and you're gonna let it sit for about good little 20 seconds, 10 seconds, 30 seconds, whatever. Just keep it on there for like a good amount. It's not really a set time, but keep it on there for a good amount, so the crimps can take, because if it's not on there for a long time, it's not really gonna, you know, if you want deep crimped, you know. So yeah. As y'all can see, it's coming along. And as I do this, I'm gonna spray some spritz on here so they can stay in my head. Spritz, it make your hair hard, but it holds it, so it's gonna hold the crimp so it won't fall. And I think I'm gonna actually leave these in. Yeah, I was supposed to actually be doing a different video for y'all, but I was getting ready for y'all. I'm gonna get cute for them. So in the middle of me doing that, then I decided that I was gonna crimp. I was gonna make another video. So if y'all wanna see that video after this, then just click on my channel and y'all will see. It's not hair related, but it'll do. If y'all really love me like that. So yeah. And that's how that crimp came out. And I'm actually gonna put some more spritz on it. Ooh. This thing gonna have me sticky, but I had to put some more stuff on there so it can hold through. And period. And basically what I told y'all, I'm just gonna do that throughout my whole head. So yeah, I'm gonna just speed up the rest of this video. And thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all like this video. And make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. And that's about it.
Safe to say the kid getting older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big drippers.
Oh yeah, I know I told y'all that my next video won't be hair related. I don't do hair, but I do dye hair. So yeah, y'all can get into it with that. If for my hair girlies and my hairstylist, that are on here and that are interested in just hair, period. So yeah, and the clients or whatever. So if y'all interested in getting y'all hair dyed, and period, support. Cause yeah, I'm looking to build this love color hair. So that's the brand, baby. That is the brand. Just say what you want. And also for my hair girlies, y'all stay tuned because I'm going to be dyeing a wig onto my channel. I'm not sure if I'm going to make it a TikTok short or a whole video or both yet, but it will be on my channel for a wig that I will be dyeing for a client. And yeah, so y'all just stay on the lookout for that, and y'all can subscribe and turn on post notifications if y'all want to see that. And yeah. Also y'all, this takes a lot of patience, so when y'all doing this, just have some patience, you know.
Sushi sweet and keep me rolling, but if we get the out, we gotta roll. Ryan around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in the figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these drinking too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in and some bitch or both. They look braid, this nigga start getting low.
Y'all, this also makes you super hot. Like, I'm so hot on this, but it's worth it because it's so cute. It's so cute. So cute.
You can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I don't type her up. They my last and my last, I know I got up. Count the money up fast like I'm typing some. I'm the type to get active and never run. Keep the rulers, my niggas ain't scared of none. Ain't no rules, you got rats, you can get it done. On a light day, I keep me 100 bucks. They can hit after he call me very fun. For the Christmas, I brought everybody. Plus and toppers and extras for everyone. Take the roof on the collar up for the sun. I'm broke to see his pop by 5,000 months. Got this bitch off the collar, she suck it and swallow. I stick it and she feel it in her gut. Nigga don't rock on my problems, we stacking up wallow and swallow and try get it mega book. See them drip, little nigga, best watch your stuff. This top shelf, got 40 designer belts. For PF, spill like the new BML. They gon' dump, got clothes in my right or left. So you crack up the car, ain't no key in there. Just pull up, spin they block and get out of there. They gon' have a hard time finding what to wear. Treat the hoe like a tire, I keep a spell. On the strap because I'm warring. Check the trunks, I'm counting more fake. Scott Swellers, Louis, and a press. I'm 150, flying, Richard Mello. But they got me to his empty because I spit that flavor to his empty. I am not a killer, but I'm telling you, I'm spinning. Go to lunch in the Jewish community. I won't tell on the bros for the immunity. Can't beat them, that shit ain't gon' ruin me. I'm the only one now let outdo me. I got hoes by the crew tryna do me. My life like a movie, get hit in the water. Don't got put in no work, I in order. This shit ain't got serious, the meetings come plural. I'm living by morals, we swiping and keeping no word. Explorer, I'm young and I'm turned, I got bitches galore. My baby mom will cost 250, I'm spurting. Got 5 million cash just in case if you merge. My young niggas kill, get away, they be virgin. It happen like this, I ain't do it on purpose. I'm working my move, nigga, who's on you working? I turned on my crew, bought a coupe off of verses. I'm tired of these strippers, I'm going at nurses and doctors and dentists. You started, I finished, I told you we with it. My word is like gold in my city, I tell them to go, they gon' get it. I heard that you froze when they hit it. Putting these hoes in the business, you know that you trippin'. I tell them no, they gon' listen. Knowing these niggas be sweet and some bitches, I'm different. She tryna leave me, I'm low down. I ain't with savages, don't bring your whole round. I'm going bougie, I'm switching my profile. All of my cars get delivered with no mouth. They think they do and we don't, I don't know how. Run through the low, call the plug, I need more pounds. I put on drip every day from the floor up. I'm getting sick of this shit.
Alright y'all, so this is my hair, fully crimped and not combed out. I forgot to mention y'all can also add some mousse on your hair if you want to. Specifically, I didn't, but it's just for like stringy hairs, just sticking out, whatever. It can be with crimped hair or whatever, but it's just something that I use. And this is how it turned out. period. I hope y'all liked this video. I hope it was very helpful because it's very self-explanatory, very simple. And yeah, please make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And period.
I gonna love everybody but you.